Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 2. Ille nihil nec me querentem vana morator, sed graviter gemitus imo de pectore ducens, eu fuge, nate dea tequeis et eripe flammis, ostis abet muros, ruit alta culmine Troia. That man said nothing. There's an implied dixit here, or some other verb of saying. And he does not delay me complaining about useless things, but seriously leading groans from his deep chest, he says, he said, Heu fuge, alas, flee, one having been born from a goddess, and snatch yourself away from these flames. The enemy holds the walls. Troy rushes down from its lofty summit. So this is the beginning of Hector's response to Aeneas, after Aeneas has seen him and questioned his presence and lamented his death. So, up here we have me quarentem going together, present active participle, and vana is our direct object of the participle, and it is standing for useless things. It's an adjective, useless things, empty things is implied. Now down here we got said, but, seriously leading, and the one ducens, the one leading, is Hector. He is ille, that man, leading groans from his deep chest. And then we have ait, he said, alas, flee. This is imperative. He's saying, you need to flee. Flee. Nate, this is vocative. He's speaking out to Aeneas, one having been born from a goddess, Dea, having been born from a goddess. And, que, snatch away yourself from these flames. Notice this is eripe, so snatch yourself away from these flames. So this ablative is clearly going with that sort of motion of away from the flames. The enemy holds the walls. So he's saying, you need to get out of here. This is your warning. I'm telling you while you're asleep, you need to wake up and run. He's saying Troy rushes from its lofty summit. So Hector is just telling Aeneas what's going on, warning him, telling him to get out of here.